Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Prameswari I student from Muhammadiyah University, Semarang. Today I want to tell you about cough ethic. Cough ethic is a good and correct coughing procedure so the bacteria do not spread into the air and do not spread out to the others. So let us. If you cough, you must cover your mouth and your nose using a tissue or your arm. After that, dispose of the used tissue to the trash. And then, you must wash your hand with soap and water. And the last, don't forget to use mask if you cough. So, and then I think that's all about ethic cough. Thank you for your attention and thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.